All right, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. Beautiful song and beautiful collab with Nathaniel Rateliff and Gregory Alan Isakov. They do Flowers. So I'm not that aware of Nathaniel's career or who he is or so, and it's absolutely the first time here on Go On Guitar. Isakov I know more about. I know about his loyal following and all that. So a great artist, and they do Flowers together. So very nice song. I'm gonna give you 4 chords of the rolls, pretty much the same way through the entire song. So let's look at it. And we have this capo set on 3rd fret, just as they have. And the 4 chords will be the C G, the D minor, the G, and the C F chord. So let's start with the C G first. Okay, it goes 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D minor next, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the G, and if you look at the music video when I play, they use sometimes or very often this 1st fret B string as well into this G. A little bit different, but anyway, that gives you 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, and this optional 1st B. Normally it's open, so open B or 1st B, and then 3rd E. And then finally we have the C F chord. That is basically an F major, but with the C notes in the bass. So that gives us the C note on 3rd A, then 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have a strumming pattern we're gonna look into now, and we have this chord progression through the entire song: the C, G, the D minor, the G, and the C F chord. So if you grab the 1st chord, the C G chord, you have this strumming pattern. Okay, so you're gonna start with 2 downs first. So down, down, and then comes up, down, up, down. Then a short pause, and then down, up. Okay, so that is 1 round. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, a couple rounds with this goes. All right. You can also add an extra down up to it. Remember, in the end there we have the pause. You can also build in an extra down up there. So that will give us down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's up to you. This song is all about feel. Okay, so it differs a little bit when it comes to strumming. Sometimes when how they hold the chords, slight variations there, but this is the main thing to go for. So what you're going to do here is to play the 4 chords we learned: the C G, the D minor, the G, and the C F chord. 2 string rounds per chord, and that rolls pretty much through the entire song. Slight variations from the verse to the chorus or so, with pauses in between and all that, but pretty much this is what's going on. So let's go for a couple rounds of this. 2 string rounds per chord. And there you have it, my friends. A beautiful song called Flowers from Nathaniel and Gregory. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Very nice to do this for you. I also hope to get something back. If you like this tutorial, then please give me a thumb up, give me motivation to go on. Until next time, guys, play tuned.